Hi guys, I'm pretty sure you're quite familiar with this piece of machinery over here. Probably the most wanted Parkside tool ever made. The Parkside Performance Cordless Combi Duo. I'm sure you know how hard it is to find it. So to clarify, I didn't get it from Lidl. I bought it from eBay. The price here is irrelevant and unfortunately I don't have a warranty on this. But if you somehow manage to source it from Lidl, you should know that probably this is the cheapest brushless combi drill available on the market today. What can I say about the machine? A brushless motor, 6 rotational speeds that can be selected with the dial over here, 4 operating modes, drilling, hammer drilling, chiseling, and the last mode is for adjusting the position of the chisel, adjustable handle, depth stop. The impact force of the machine is 3 joules and it's highly advisable to use it with the bigger 4 amps per hour battery. Let's take a closer look. Aluminium body over here, and the rest of the machine is with the standard Parkside Performance black design, rubberized parts here and there. The adjustable handle, it's absolutely the same as the handle on the Parkside Performance hammer drill. Let's insert the battery. An LED work light over here. That's it, guys. You saw how the machine performs. Not long ago, a fellow YouTuber also tested it and concluded that it's unreliable and easy to burn. Of course it is. This is a battery operated power tool and it's a cheap one. Don't get fooled by the performance inscription over here. This is a hobby tool. Its main design purpose is to make a couple of holes on your concrete wall, not to tear down all the tiles in your bathroom. Probably it could do that too, but it's not its main design purpose. If you ask me, it's a pretty decent machine, and I don't know why Parkside is not producing more quantities of this. Probably they're making a better version, I don't know. So that's all for me. If you'd like the video, thumbs up and subscribe.